Hi guys, and welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and this episode we are going to be looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum as they have been falling. Now it is something that we talked about on yesterday's video. We said there was something bullish, we might go down. We're going to talk about that as soon as we get onto market cap. But if you enjoy the content that we provide here, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. We're live here every night at 8 p.m. Central. I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I have to be traveling for work. But I'll try to put a small video together as soon as I get in. Again, thank you guys for watching. It's awesome that you're here and watch these videos. Let me go on to market cap and see what is happening there. On market cap, we are going down, right? We talked about this. We had that bearish divergence, getting that action to the downside, putting pressure on the price, breaking the $2 trillion mark. So again, we don't want to break that area. Talked about that yesterday. Again, bearishness was nothing bullish to try to help us rally. So on this break, again, moving down, coming back down, hitting this blue line that used to be an old resistance, now it's becoming a support, and we're hitting it and we're trying to bounce from it. So we have some hidden divergence, that hidden bullish divergence that's right here is going to try to get us to where we pop and potentially go for that $2 trillion mark. Now, something that I'm seeing is that we could drop here and keep dropping here on the MACD. Would not be weird. Make more negative momentum. We'll still be higher on that price and still have this hidden divergence. But we really don't want to break back into this triangle, right? It'll be really bad if we get back into the triangle. We want to bounce from it and show strength. Going back into the triangle, it would show weakness. Could be looking for a throwback and could be looking even for price action to the downside, breaking that triangle and that lower support that we have down here and even potentially dropping farther down. So again, we don't want to see that happening. Hopefully we hold and rally from there, right? So again, getting above 2 trillion, extremely important. Let's go check out Bitcoin. All right, so I'm just waiting for it to load. Here we go. Bitcoin, we're playing with this idea of a flag formation starting to happen. We obviously broke it to the downside. On breaking this move, we're targeting somewhere between, I think 40,000. That'll be the move we're going for. Maybe even 41,000. Again, the thing is that we broke it to the downside. Again, we broke this blue line. That was the more important line to go short term. That was a support line that we're breaking. And I talked about this. Breaking these lines gets us to go short term bearish. We're starting to go bearish again. You can watch it on yesterday's video. So we're going bearish. We're starting to drop. So this it's gone longer there. So dropping, hitting that upper area as a support right now. And again, we don't want to break back into this triangle in Bitcoin. Hopefully we can bounce from it. We also have some of this hidden divergence that is starting to develop here on the Bitcoin daily chart. And hopefully we can get a bounce from it and reject lower areas of value, at least stagnate on that moving down. And the moving up, I'm looking for a move to that 20 moving average, and that's going to be at 44,700. So that's a move on the other chart, the one that has all the lines, right? We are breaking areas that we don't want to break. And again, this one's going to take a little bit longer to load. We broke 45,000, 43,000, and now we are trying to find support at 40,996. Hopefully we hold here, because if we do break this area, the next support is down here, and it's hello 40,000s, right? 40,997 would be a target on a movement down. Now that matches what we have here on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we had a downsloping triangle. Again, I posted about this on the Discord. We do know that these downsloping triangles tend to break to the downside. They are bearish. We were getting a break to the upside. I got a little bit excited that we could be breaking this to the upside. It would have been extremely good if we would have broken to the upside. Actually, it would have shown more bullish conditions, because then during bull markets and bullish conditions, these bearish indicators and these bearish patterns don't play out as well. So we are breaking down that support, and on a measure move of that triangle that we're breaking down from, we are targeting 40,542, which again is kind of close to the other support that we have on the other chart, which is around 40,997 or whatever that last digit was. But again, extremely close to that area. So hopefully we don't go there. There is nothing bullish on the 4-hour that will help us rally. Let's check out the 1-hour chart. And here on the 1-hour chart, last thing we talked about was this bearish divergence that we had on April the 5th. We knew we were going down. We're trying to hold. We didn't have anything bullish. We talked about this yesterday. We're not creating anything bullish for a rally. We need to go farther down to create something bullish and then try to rally. So starting to go down, hitting that area here at support. It's not support, sorry, bullish divergence. Creating that bullish divergence, and we took a pop for a candle. Very nice candle, 1% up. But again, we are still trying to recover from what we were losing, right? The move should lead us to potentially hit that 20 moving average. That's going to be at $44,133. So 44,133 is the target. And if we get above there, we are looking for a hit of this blue line, that blue line being a resistance line that we need to break above for us to retake bullish conditions, right? Rejection of the 20, rejection of the blue line. It's going to get us to where we drop again, right? We are sitting sold at 30.42. And on that note, we're going to go check out Ethereum. Ethereum, I know, it's going down. Just like Bitcoin, coming back down, hitting support at 3,158. Same thing happening. We had the bearish divergence. We were hoping that 3,324 was going to hold. It didn't. It broke through it. We broke past the 20, but again, holding support at 3,158. And again, we also had this line drawn from a couple of days ago. This line actually has been on the chart for a while, but you can see it on yesterday's video. Again, holding support with hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence, just like Bitcoin, and with that potential for action to the upside, maybe hit that 20 moving average. We're really not that far away from that area. It's 3,224. We might hit there. We might even pop a little bit more, but for now, that is what we're looking at, sitting neutral at 51.53 on the RSI. All right. Let's go on the 4-hour chart. The last thing we had, bearish divergence. Look at this, right? Starting to break down again. I can't remember if we had this one by the time we did the video or not, but we are starting to break down from this bearish divergence, and it just got us to go through here, right? We held support there briefly for 2 candles before we broke that for 3,324. And again, right now we are trying to hold 3,185. Hopefully it will hold. We don't have anything bullish to go on, sitting oversold at 26.82. And again, no cool patterns that we can look at, no bullish divergence. It's just taking a drop. We're waiting for something to develop, either bullish on the 4-hour or some pattern on the 4-hour. But on the 1-hour, we have some bullish divergence strong as well, just like with Bitcoin, right? So we were breaking down from bearishness back here, broke down, broke below 20, broke below 3,124. Here you can see the support, right? We hit it spot on. Bounce, we came back down, tried to hold for a candle, broke through, rejection on the next candle, and then breaking back down. We slightly broke support at 3,158. Again, these supports are not spot on, right? It's very hard for the price to hit spot on a couple times. You're going to hit around that area. So percentage-wise, it's negligible how much lower it went. So it is holding that support, and we're trying to bounce from it. Next candle just confirms that we're going back above it. And again, we could even consider it a fake breakdown because we just recovered that area as well. So for now, coming down, trying to find support, starting to move sideways on the price. This is strong bullish. It's not hidden divergence like what we could have had with the coins. But strong bullish, getting that action to the upside. We should be aiming for the 20 moving average at 3,242, and then above there, 3,324. Those are the moves. There's really not a lot else going on. No hidden bearish divergence. We don't have any problems overhead. Here in Ethereum, I did not draw the line that I had on Bitcoin. It goes like this. And again, this is just a resistance line that we must get above if we want to see the price go on a positive note, right? And start trending upwards. So we definitely want to see this break above that blue line. For that, we need to get above the 20, and it'll just follow Bitcoin, right? Ethereum is following Bitcoin. That's the name of the game. A lot of coins tanked with Bitcoin. Some of them tanked a lot worse than Bitcoin did. Some alts were even dropping more than 10, 11%. But again, Ethereum did drop quite a bit. I think it was dropping around 6% by the time it closed, or somewhere around 6% by the time it closed. But for now, again, we're starting to look for some recovery, at least on the 1-hour. Daily, no clear sides again of a good rally coming in. No hit, like, we have the hidden divergence. That's it, trying to hold. That tells us we might go up a bit, maybe move sideways. The only indicator that we have is the 1-hour. We said bullish. Yes, we started to move up. We haven't quite gone to the 20. We're starting to stagnate at this level. Again, we don't have anything bearish putting pressure on the price, but we're definitely failing to go higher. Now, guys, that is going to be it for tonight. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, no stream tomorrow. Just might do a small video after I come back from my trip. I'm going to be flying out of town. I fly back in at night. I'm not sure yet what time I want to end up landing here. Depends on whether or not the flight gets delayed. But if I'm here, I would appreciate it if you catch the video later on. Let me know your thoughts on the video. Again, just remember that all the information that we provide here at So Crypto is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Just don't trade based on what you see here, right? We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Just like I said, entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another video, and then Friday for another live stream of So Crypto. Till then.